everyone, and welcome to my channel. Make sure you go ahead and click that subscribe button and that notification bell so you never miss a new video or a live stream, and give me a big thumbs up at the end of the video. Hey loves, it's your girl CheKesha Simms of Her Lovely Plan, and I am back with another plan with me in my Hobonichi weeks. Now I have a whole lot of stuff going on right here, so I'm not even going to get into what I'm using right now, but I will talk through what I'm using as I am planning, because you know that I like to go back in and do voiceovers because I have to focus when I'm planning. I can't plan and talk. I can't chew gum and walk at the same time. Well, actually I can. I can't chew gum and talk at the same time. How about that? So anyway, so we're gonna get started, but I do want to show today I'm going for a minimal color theme. I'm going for black and white. The only color that you'll probably see is from these EMOTIS from the CARPE Monster Co, because I'm so in love with these little big head sticker babies. So yeah, so this one is from one of my new faves. I have a lot of faves, but she's new to the list, and this is Kaden Mom's shop. I'm really loving her kits and everything that's in her shop, and I will leave her link in the description box, as well as along with the other shops that I'll be using in my planner, but y'all make sure y'all check her out. She has some really cute things. So let's go ahead and jump right into planning, and we are planning for the week of June the 10th through the 16th. So I'm going to kind of skip through the putting the date dots on and go straight to putting my date strip down on the side part of this this week's spread. So this week I'm super excited. It is a busy weekend. I will be traveling, and I will be having some girl time with some really good girlfriends. I'm excited about that. Also, it's my bonus dad's birthday on Friday, but I won't be here to celebrate. But it's a present to him knowing that I'm taking a break and having some me time, because everybody knows I'm always busy, pouring into people and pouring into my business, and I really don't take a lot of me time. So this weekend is much needed. As well, Sunday is Father's Day, but I will be back in time to spend with my husband. I'm going to go ahead and let him hang out with his boys, which are his sons. Yeah. But I mean, he can hang out with his boys if he wants to. We don't have that kind of relationship. But yeah, so all I'm doing now is just getting the spread all set up. And these strips, traditionally people use them on the left side of each page, but I decided to kind of use this to block off the right side of each page, kind of like how they do the outlining with the black pen. I decided to use it on the outside portion of the spread this week, because again, you know, I'm a month in, but I feel like each week I'm exploring different ways to decorate my planner and to plan in the planner, as well as just to make it functional, because a lot of times we get so caught up into making the planner pretty that we forget to use the planner for what it is. A planner is to plan out our lives, memory plan, put your thoughts, whatever the case may be. It is truly designed for us to use it so it can help us throughout our day and throughout our lives, not just to make something pretty. So I wanted to make sure that this spread this week was very functional. Even though I don't have a lot to do, I do have enough things that I want to jot down in this planner, because it is my on-the-go planner. Is with me all the time, so this needs to have everything that I need to remind myself to do before I travel this week. And I haven't traveled in a while, so I mean, outside of my cruise, but even with that, I mean, just like travel without my husband, because him and I are always together, and this will be my first time in a long time traveling without him, so this will be fun, but I will miss him. I know y'all like, you gonna miss? Yeah, because me and my husband, we like love being together. Like, if I didn't have anyone else to spend my days and my nights and my life with, he is enough for me. But everybody else is a bonus. So what I decided to do on this side, the right side of the planner this week, I am not going to use that inner portion close to the spine to track my PR stuff. I'm going to use something different. So what I wanted to do was kind of box out each category that I will be putting on this side. And I picked this up from watching a couple of my fellow Hobonichi Planner Babes videos. And again, I'm going to start noting the names so I can make sure I give credit where credit is due. But this is all inspired by other people's videos. So as you can see, I'm pulling out the PR Post sticker from the Planner Accessory. And y'all make sure y'all check her out. Her shop is growing. The quality of her products are amazing. So what I decided to do was use some layering technique, and I did bring in a box sticker from the Colorful Boxes sticker book from the Happy Planner, in which I haven't used that sticker book in a while, primarily because I'm running out of stickers. Mind you, I have 3 of those Colorful Boxes sticker books, so I definitely need some more of those. So if y'all find any, let me know, because I cannot find them anywhere in my stores, and I really hate to go on Amazon or Etsy and pay an inflated amount just for those sticker books. So now what I'm doing on this side is adding another category, and this is the things that I don't want to forget, kind of like my packing list, but not really. I don't typically do a full packing list. I just like to put the things that I don't want to forget, like toothpaste, deodorant, lotion, all those little things. And as well, to make sure I remember to print my boarding pass. Even though I like to do early check-in online, I still like to carry the actual boarding pass with me, or the printout, because, you know, stuff happens, and I like to be prepared when I'm traveling, because TSA does not play. Okay. All right, so again, I'm just using this ruler, in which I did mess this side up a little bit, but never fear, I did decide to use a sticker on this side to cover that up, and you'll see that a little bit later in the video. So now all I'm doing is just kind of checking out this kit, because there's so much stuff in this kit, you guys. Like, it's so amazing that I'm actually going to probably have enough left to do another spread. So now I'm going to use this super cute, and I can never say it right, arrhythmia symbol that has coffee in the middle. So basically, my heart beats for coffee. I love coffee. Y'all know I do. So Mondays is always a must coffee day. I drink coffee every day, but it's kind of like one of those things like, hey, it's Monday, you definitely need your coffee. Besides, I do have an early nail and pedicure appointment on Monday, so I'm definitely going to be a little tired. So I will definitely be doing a Starbucks run on Monday after I get my nails done, just because it'll be too early for me to get coffee and make it to my appointment on time, because I am not a morning person. So now I'm using one of these Octagon appointment stickers that comes from Sweet Caress Designs. And a lot of the stickers, the script stickers that I've used so far in the spread are from Sweet Caress Designs, except for the PR Post sticker. And that one comes from, again, Planner Accessory, and she's on Etsy. So now I'm just kind of cutting the edge of the nail polish bottle, because I wanted it to kind of be cohesive on this sticker instead of laying on top of it. Y'all know me, I always got to be a little bit extra when I'm decorating my spreads. So now just going through and laying a couple other stickers throughout, and this one is for Father's Day. And this Father's Day sticker comes from Sweet Caress Design as well. She has, I don't know if she still has it. I actually ordered that a while back. But she has a sticker, a mini sticker sheet with the different holidays on there. So y'all make sure you check out. Her stuff is perfectly sized for a Hobonichi, or if you have like a micro or just a smaller planner with minimal space, her stickers work really, really well. So now I'm just adding some more stickers because I want to be able to put my flight information on each days. And this particular box sticker with the bow comes from Banana Doodle Shop, in which this is one of the newer shops that I've been shopping with. And I found that probably watching somebody's stories. I know a lot of y'all like, how do you find these shops? I be in people's stories, watching their videos, seeing what they got. And again, checking hashtags, seeing what people are using in their Hobonichis, because I like to support all the shops if possible. I know I can't buy from everyone because one, I would probably be broke, and then two, it's just so many amazing shops out there. It's so hard to shop with them all. So these icon stickers that I'm using here are from the Planner Aesthetic, and I do PR for her shop, and she has some new releases on her brand new website, which is planneraesthetic.com, and I do PR for her as well. So make sure you check her shop out for some good items, as well as using my discount code to get a discount. And these little mini social media stickers that I'm using for YouTube, they come from Scribble Sticker Co. I always get tongue-tied, and I thought it was super cute to add to just remind me in this planner that I had some videos I needed to post on those days. And then of course, y'all know I am super passionate about these Coffee Monster Co. EMOTIS stickers, and because I wanted to use minimal amount of color, these stickers were perfect. They did have a little pop of color in there, but you really have to look at them to see the color, because I really wanted to stay with the black and white theme as much as possible. So these cute little sticky note stickers are so adorable, and I got those from, I can't remember off the top of my head. I was doing pretty good naming the shops that I was using, but I will definitely leave the link, well, the name of the shop in the description box, along with the name of the sticker that I use, so you know exactly which shop I got those stickers from. But I want to say it's like Paperly. Is it Paperly? Yes, it's the Paperly Boutique. That's where I got them from, and she's on Etsy, I believe. If not Etsy, y'all know y'all can Google, check your Instagram search engine, and you can find all of the shops there. So as you can see, I put this flag sticker that came from Sweet Caress Designs as well, to kind of cover up that line that was a little bit crooked. And this is actually supposed to be like a half or quarter box sticker, but instead of running it horizontally, vertically, I decided to do it horizontally. Instead of laying it horizontally, I did it vertically, and that way I could use this as a tracker for things that I needed to buy for my trip. So I'm using, again, I'm using a lot of Sweet Caress Design stickers today. I'm impressed. And she has a lot of black and white stickers, so if you are a very neutral planner, you definitely will love her shop. So I'm just using these dots to kind of use as like little check boxes for the things that I need to get this week and the things that I don't want to forget this week. Because again, when you're traveling, you don't want to forget anything. So again, back with these cute emotis. I know some of y'all be having an issue with these things, but they is cute. Like when you see them in real life, you be like, oh, they so cute. Yeah, I like them. I like them a lot. So now I'm just going in this sticker book by Carpe Diem, because I want to layer some flowers throughout the spread, because again, I wanted to have some fun, switch it up a little bit, kind of add in all of the different elements that I've been doing throughout the past month in my Hobonichi, and this sticker book was perfect because it had a lot of neutral colors, and these black and white flower stickers worked perfectly in this spread. So I'm gonna go ahead and stop talking, and I'm gonna go ahead and let you just rock out with watching the rest of the video, seeing what I'm doing, and then I will come back with the end of the video and let you see everything all put together. All right, love. So I am finished my black and white spread in my Hobonichi weeks, and I am really, really impressed with myself. It was a little culture shock because I'm used to some color, but I like the simplicity of it. And as you can see, I kind of switched things up a little bit on this side. I decided not to go with this section to use for my PR post because I finally got these stickers in that I've been waiting for from Serene Planning, and I do plan on getting some more. And once June is over, some of the shops that I'm PRing for, I won't be any longer. So what I'll probably do is just kind of cut the list, down, because it is about 6 boxes here, so I won't need all of them. But that's neither here nor there. But if you are into tracking, these trackers I think are amazing to put in any of your planners. They fit in any size planner. Yeah, so that is it. I'm loving this spread a lot. I can't wait to use it. And as I told y'all, this weekend is really busy. I will be going out of town on a girls trip. I'm super excited about that. My bonus dad's birthday is on Friday, but I won't be here to celebrate. And then I'll be coming back in on Father's Day, in which I'll be able to spend a little bit of time with the hubs. But I told him, I said, you ain't my daddy. No, he my ziti. No, I'm just joking. He my daddy. No. Seriously, I told him take that time to spend with his boys, because he has grown men and little man. Y'all see little man all the time on my social media posts and sometimes in my videos. But yeah, so I'm going to let him have some daddy time with his little men, and I hang out with the girls. I'm super, super excited about that. So if you like the spread, you already know what to do. Give me a big old thumbs up. Drop me a comment below. And as well, I will leave the names to the shops in the description box, so you can look them up at your leisure. And again, if you enjoyed this video, make sure, if you haven't already done so, that you subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so you never miss a new video. And when I finally get back to my Sunday live streams, you'll be notified. And as well, if this video has inspired you, make sure you share it with your planner friends so they can be inspired to create their own lovely plan. So until next time, loves, peace. Thank you again for watching Her Lovely Plan, and I hope that you click that subscribe button and that notification bell.